Lace Bouquet, an old school Lolita who occasionally wears Gothic Lolita as well, and today we're going to be doing a flower nose review. I'm going to be doing my daily makeup with this palette. It is the Chocolate Shop palette, and I think there are a few variations of this one, but I got gifted this brown tone one, not from Flower Nose, from my friend for my birthday. First impressions, it's got a lovely chocolate smell and variety of shades that will be perfect for a natural makeup look. And it's got a little mirror, which I will now reveal. Currently, I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 for the packaging alone. It feels really high quality, and let's test out the colours. So here are all the colours swatched on my arm. I think the colour payoff is quite good. It's just a little patchy in some areas, but I will deal with that for the nice packaging. So first I'm gonna do my base makeup using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. This is the shade 2.5W, and I'm just gonna put it on my face, blend it out with a sponge, you know the drill. I'm just gonna put a headband on so I don't get any product in my hair. No, now I look like I'm balding. So right now I'm just blending everything out with a damp beauty sponge. Usually I start blending out from the middle of my face outwards. Now that my foundation is on, I'm going to powder with the Rimmel Stay Matte Compressed Powder. As you can see, this one's quite used and abused. It's probably my favourite drugstore powder. Once again, I'm going to start from the insides of my face outwards. Oh, I forgot to mention, under all of this is sunscreen and moisturizer. And here's my little hand mirror, by the way. I also got a chocolate one to match the chocolate theme today. Now for the eye makeup. I'm going to start by using this really old and abused flat roundish brush, and I'm gonna be going in with this shade that says Girls. So I'm going to start from the outer corner and just blend inwards. So far, as I've noticed before, the colour is a bit patchy, but it's nothing that isn't workable. I'm going to go on my bottom lash line a bit as well, just lightly brushing the colour under there, so it gives my eye a rounder shape. Now that we've done the base colour, I'm going to go in with this shade with a strawberry on it, and just focus that on my lash line from the outer corner inwards. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, take that same strawberry shade, and I'm going to trace my bottom lash line with it. Now I'm going to go in with the darkest shade and tight line for my upper lash line. I'm also going to test out the mirror on this one. I'm going to wing out my lash line a bit using this dark shade. So you can see the difference between these two eyes. This one's much more defined and it's got a cute little playful look because of the wing. So now you're going to repeat on the other side. Now I'm going to take the darkest shade again and just swipe in from the outer corner of the lower lash line inwards. So for this look, you just want to focus the darkness on the outsides of your eyes. Now for my lashes. Usually I just use lash primer and then mascara. These two are both from Dior, and I stole them from my mum, so I don't know what they're called. So I'm gonna go in with my lash primer and just do both my top and bottom lashes. I realized halfway through putting on my lash primer that I didn't do my eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that quickly now. So now my eyeliner is done. Now we're going to put on the mascara. Right now I'm putting mascara on my like 3 bottom lashes. Okay, now mascara for top and bottom lashes are done. I'm going to move on to doing my contour and blush. Usually I would use this Judy Doll contour palette, but today I'm gonna try use the Flower Nose eyeshadow palette as contour. I'm gonna do this by just swiping over this base shade with my contour brush. It's slightly darker than my skin tone, so I think it would work. Usually for contour, I just do like a giant circle around my face. Okay, so the base shade is a bit too light, so I'm going to use this heart shade. My face smells like chocolate now. I'm gonna go back in with my eyeshadow brush and dispose the rest of the pigments onto my nose. Now I'm gonna go in with blush. I'll be using the Strawberry Rococo one, which got absolutely destroyed by my dog, who somehow unboxed it before I could. Please focus. Okay, whatever. The inside, I've already used this quite a bit. The inside is full of cherubs though, and it is quite beautiful. I'll show you on another one that I got for my birthday. So for this, I'm just going to concentrate the blush on the highest point of my cheekbones. It's not really that pigmented, but it is really blendable and smooth. Yeah, so I have to use quite a bit of it to get the effect that I want usually. I like to blend my blush into my contour so everything's just really smooth and nice. The effect of the blush is really nice though, it's like a nice matte colour. Usually I would go for a shimmery blush, but this is nice too. I'm gonna go in with this one, which is the new one that I got for my birthday. Ta-da! It's still got the little thing on it. This one you can see the pattern more clearly. The shade's a bit darker than the other one, so it shows nicer. I like to put a bit on my nose as well. Now for the highlights, I'm going to go in with this glitter shade for my inner corners and my nose. I'd say the glitters of this palette aren't as nice as some other glitters I've used before, but it's still quite nice. Usually I like to put a little bit of glitter on my bottom lash line as well, just to brighten up the eyes. And oh no, I think I've got a bit too much into my eyeliner. Now we're going to do the lips. Usually I would go for a lip gloss or the Clinique Black Honey lipstick. I think today I'm going to use the Black Honey lipstick because the rest of my face is pretty bare. I might layer a pink gloss on top of that actually, just to match the pink of the blush. I am using this really ruined Fenty lip balm. Yeah, my dog got to this one as well and chewed the cap off. Yeah, I think that's all. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX setting spray and just spray everything down. Oh, actually, usually I would like to put a powder lighter than my skin tone under my eyes, just to give it that brightness. And that's all. I might also deepen my blush. Yeah, this is the issue with Flower Nose, it's that their shades are way too light sometimes. I just want pigment. I just want really blushed rosy cheeks. Now I'm going to put on my outfit and wig and I'll be back. Ta-da! This is the final look. I'm going to walk you through the details right now. For the outfit I'm wearing, headdress is from Rococo Heroine. wig is from Maple. This blouse is from a Chinese indie brand called Jolly Pissant. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Oops, my little bow came undone. Skirt is from Maxi Seaman. Socks are from No Lolita. And shoes are from Vivienne Westwood. For the details, I'm wearing rings from the Japanese brand Uzu and an Axis Femme necklace. So for the final review of Flower Nose makeup, the packaging is definitely the standout point for this brand, and I really love it. I feel like a lot of other Lolitas would enjoy the packaging as well because it's just so cute. I feel like this is a really nice selection of colours. You can do a lot with this singular palette, from contouring, highlighting, everything. The mirror is a good size as well, perfect for on-the-go makeup. If there was one thing that I had to change about this palette, it would definitely be the chalkiness and the patchiness of the makeup sometimes. I don't know how it would fare on darker skin tones, but for my skin tone at least, the colours turn out really nicely. As for the blushes, I really like them because they have a nice finish, but the colours are definitely really light on them. I put on a lot of blush and you can still barely see it on camera. The design on the inside though is absolutely gorgeous. Would I recommend someone buy this? If you're into really cute packaging and you already have a lot of other makeup, then yes. If you need a nice beginner palette with everything in it, then yes as well, but definitely go for something nicer if you're there for the makeup instead of the packaging. Overall, I'd probably give this a 7 out of 10, though the packaging is definitely 10. For the blushes, I'd probably give them 7 out of 10 as well. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Lolita content, makeup content, sewing content, everything. See you next time. Bye!